Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Mel, and for today's video, I will teach you how to get in touch with YouTube chat support team, or how to contact them with your questions, problems, and concerns. Keep watching, just subscribe, Click the contact us button and fill up the form correctly and give the information they need. Double check before submit. Must double check. Tell us what we can help with. Fill up yours now. Click the chat button and get ready to ask questions and concerns. You can contact them in live chat support or email support. I always prefer chat live support because you can ask questions and get answers quickly. Put your channel link or just type it if you memorize. Subscribe now for more videos, Here we go and ask now questions, but first be accountable and kind to them. This assistant is not a robot. They're human, as in like us. Please be kind and respect them with your concerns and questions as soon as possible. Also wait to get your wanted answers, because sometimes they need some minutes. Thanks for watching everyone, and subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button below, please. Just subscribe,